In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint in Jira. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to the backlog of your Scrum project. This is your main hub where you'll manage your upcoming work and tasks within Jira. Located prominently at the top, you'll see the Create Sprint button. With a simple click, you're already on your way to designing your new sprint. Once you hit that button, a new sprint panel will automatically appear. Think of this as the control center where you'll be able to organize and personalize your sprint to perfectly align with your project's goals. Within this panel, you have the option to rename your sprint by clicking on the small pencil icon next to its name. This allows you to tailor the sprint's identity. For example, you might call it something straightforward like Sprint 1, March 2025. Naming your sprint clearly helps keep everyone on the same page regarding which period or set of goals it covers. Next up is configuring the sprint's duration, which is a crucial step because it defines the time frame for when you'll accomplish your tasks. Typically, sprints last between 1 to 4 weeks, offering enough time for meaningful progress while keeping the team focused. After setting the duration, you'll need to select the start and end dates of your sprint. These dates will help structure your team's workflow and clarify the timeline for reaching your goals. Also essential is entering a sprint goal. This is a concise summary of what the team aims to achieve during this sprint cycle. The sprint goal serves as a guiding light to ensure that everyone is aligned and working toward the same objectives. Once these details are configured, you'll hit update to ensure everything is saved. Now it's time to populate your sprint with the necessary issues. You can simply drag and drop tasks from the backlog into the sprint. This process allows you to visually organize the workload and ensure that everything needed for the sprint is ready to go. Finally, once your sprint is fully loaded with issues and you've double checked your configurations, it's time to initiate the sprint. Go ahead and click Start Sprint. A confirmation window will appear, allowing you to review all the details one last time. If everything looks correct, hit Start to officially kick off the sprint. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up a new sprint in Jira, providing your team with a clear roadmap for the weeks ahead. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your sprint planning.